Hi, I'm Thomas Bazaire here. I'm a service advisor here at Oakridge Ford. I'm here to talk to you about 10 tips to prepare your car, truck, or SUV for winter. When preparing your car, truck, or SUV for winter, there are a lot of things on your vehicle you're going to need to think about. Here at Oakridge Ford London, we are going to share our top 10 tips to prepare for winter. Number 1. The first thing we do is start by getting underneath the hood and checking all your fluids. Go ahead by finding your master cylinder located on the driver's side, which holds your brake fluid. When looking from that side, you will see a maximum line. If you notice what the fluids are a dark brown in any way, it's time for a flush. You will also want to check your oil levels. There will be a little oil dipstick with engine oil right on it. Go ahead and wipe that oil off and inspect the color, making sure that the level's in between the high and low mark. Also, make sure that the color looks good. Next, you're going to want to check your vehicle's battery. Go ahead and look at both terminals if you see any funny colors or even any fuzzies growing off of it. Your vehicle will likely come equipped with a voltmeter or battery symbol. That will also show how much charge you have left. It's also an indicator that there's corrosion that needs to be taken off because it will draw onto your battery. To prevent the dead battery panic, consider swapping in a new battery if it's low. Before taking a look inside the vehicle, you will want to make sure that your tires have plenty of tread depth. Of course, you will want to check your tire pressure, which can be done right on the valve stem. If you need to know your vehicle's tire pressure requirements, you can find the tire information on the driver's side door. Go ahead and take a look at your car, truck, or SUV wiper blades. If you notice that they become dull or ripped, as per the winter wiper blades, and swapping them in with new ones. Also, go ahead, look at your washer fluid, and if it's low, top it up with de-icer windshield washer fluid. Consider purchasing a winter emergency safety kit that contains jumper cables, zip ties, emergency blanket, and other things that you need for emergencies. Having winter gear is essential, so make sure you have a good snow brush or scraper. Scrapers can be very inexpensive and often come in large sizes, perfect for clearing the glass faster. Be careful not to scratch your windows or your windshield. Make sure you also checking your exterior lights to make sure everything works as it should. Since inside the vehicle, let's also ensure our blower motor works as well. Speeds and during high, of course, works since you will be spending a lot more time inside of your vehicle. Our last tip for your car, truck, or SUV to be prepared for winter is to get a maintenance checkup. Consider scheduling a service appointment here at Oakridge Ford, and we would be happy to help you prepare your car, truck, or SUV for winter. If you have any questions, please contact us by visiting our website or scheduling a service appointment with our highly trained technicians. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.